Good morning, all. Today we are going to discuss Module 2 last part of directing an issue and giving order technique, leading and motivating. Directing. Directing means the main functions of directions are following activities. Step 1, issue or giving orders to employees. Step 2, leading. And step 3, motivating to the subordinate. See, to directing exactly it is like what way and how much order should be, what the way we should give to the order issue to the employees, and then how to lead and motivate them so that they can achieve their individual objective as well as organization objective. As per Heyman, directing consists of process of technique utilized in issuing instructions such a way that making certain and operations are carried as an originally planned by the top management people. According to the Kurtz and Donnell, direction is the interpersonal aspect of managing by which subordinates are led to understand and contribute effectively, efficiently to the attainment of the enterprise. Requirement of effective directions. There are following requirement of effective directions: harmony of objective, unit of command, direction, direct supervision, efficient communication. Harmony, we have to keep the harmony of the environment, of the organization, of the department, so that everybody coordinating each other, cooperating each other to achieve the target and objective. Command should be given from top management and middle order management. It should be unique directions related, unique unit of command. It should be in one way only. Direct supervision. Better always face to face. How exactly monitoring to be done and what they are doing it. Okay, whether what is the status of the work they are doing or not. All those things should be done directly. Efficient communication. Already we say communication is not the one way, it is two ways device where the what you are telling them, whether they are understanding right way or not. Follow through. At the last, we have to follow the things, whatever work we have assigned to the subordinates. Giving orders. Order is a device employed by a line manager in directing to their immediate subordinate to start an activity, stop it, and when it is required to modify. Okay. Time defined. It should be a time scheduled. It should be done. If that work is not completed, then schedule has to be revised. Giving order is only act of considered, but how these orders taken accepted by the subordinates. Mary Parker Follett says down the following principles. Attitude is the necessary for carrying out an order. If it appeals to their habit pattern, face-to-face suggestions are preferable to long distance order. Generally, if you are giving orders to the person, subordinates, laborers, we have to say such a way that really they like it and what is their is habit and nature. Order should be in depersonalized. Yes, it should not be personalized. Should be uniform. It should be such a way that nobody should feel it as a personalized they have commented on us. Should be integral part of the given situation so that questions should not be arrested by someone at the receiving end. Receiving end, your customer, your subordinates, your labor, your students, whatever it is. Chester Bernard laid down 4 types of method by a manager to ensure compliance with his order: by force, by paternalism, bargain, harmony of objective. Fourth, if you'll do this, you'll give up. If you don't do this, you will you'll be fined or you will be penalized. Pattern is, you have to listen me. I'm like your father, I'm like your mother, I'm like your elders, and so that they should be very sensitive and complete their work. Bargain. Like a child, we always say, if you take a glass of milk, you will finish, you will get chocolate. Big chocolate you will get. So to take one chocolate, the child will take glass of milk in morning by offered by mother. Same way, we have to sometimes, if you complete this work, you will be getting a bonus. So this is part of the bargain. Harmony of the objective. It is something like everybody has to work to unit of command and to achieve the objective defined by the top management, and same objective should be achieved by rest of the people. So it will be like this. If a teacher says to the students that if you work hard, you get good result, my result as well as college result will be good, and your name and your parents will be very happy. That is nothing but harmony of the objective. Leading and leadership style. Step 2, leading and leadership style. Okay, after issuing orders, we have to lead to the enterprise. It all depends on quality of its leadership. Like Tata Iron, Steel, Jamshedpur is the example of leadership of the JN Tata. That was the first company which has been by ISO certified. Reliance, Dhirubhai Ambani. This is the top 500 fortune companies as on today. And both are family business. Both the enterprises are presently having the successful story just because of their leadership in the business. And I tell you, 30% of the business, always success of any work that goes to leader. Following several talks at determining the objective of the enterprise, designing the method of achieving them, directing and coordinating of various units and departments, only this is there because of able leadership. As per Peter Drucker, leadership is the lifting the main vision to higher side, raising the main performance to a higher standard, and building a main personality beyond its normal limitations. Afford and Beauty define the leadership is the building of man's personality beyond its normal limitations. According to the Kate Davis, leadership is the ability of pursued other to seek demand objective enthusiastically, and it is the human factor that builds a group together and motivates it towards goal. Last steps of directing, that is called your directing motivations, Maslow theory. This is we have to discuss now. Motivations. Motivation is the process of channeling a person's inner drive, inner spirit, so that he wants to accomplish the goal of organization, so that he can work to achieve his target and company target. We should control human behavior and give direction to it, not for the goal or incentive, but for the need. That is motivation. Motivation theory, there are two theories. One is Maslow need hierarchy theory, another is Herzberg two-factor theory. Maslow theory, it is based on needs of a person of a child. He become junior, and he become master, junior, and then old. Whatever he needs to survive in his life, that is being covered by Maslow theory. He says an unsatisfied need in the standby point in the motivation theory. Maslow have arranged these needs in the hierarchy or a ladder of successive categories as shown below. Basic hierarchy needs, security and safety needs, social needs and acceptable needs, egoistic and esteem needs, self-fulfillment and self-realization needs. Maslow theory. The first, if you see this diagram, it is Maslow theory diagram, hierarchy diagram. First one is physiological needs, nothing but a basic needs of the person. Second is security, safety needs. Third is social or acceptance. Okay, whatever he achieved, he should be accepted by the society. Esteem needs, egoistic. Then last is self-realization, self-actualization or self-fulfillment. So these needs of the person from child to he become old, these are the needs generally he has to have in the life, and that is being listed out in the ladder of tower by the Maslow hierarchy. According to Maslow, people attempt to satisfy these physical needs first. As long as the needs are unsatisfied, they dominate others. As they become reasonably satisfied, they try to achieve the next level of needs, but they lose their motivational power for this level. And it moves similarly until the last level is achieved. So, what is physiological needs? These needs are those arise out like food, water, air, needs for survival. Security needs, these are needs for feel free from economic threat, physical harm. These include protection from arbitrary layoff, losing their job and dismissal disaster, okay, and avoidance of the unexpected disaster in the nature. Social needs, these needs are associated with the other people and be accepted by them, to love and to be loved. These needs are referred as the hard instinct and gregariousness. Man finds a satisfaction in association with the other and feels a real deprivation or depressed when it is not possible. Egoistic or esteem needs. These needs relate to respect and prestige, self-esteem and feel inside himself worthy. Other also should feel it is a worthy means esteem from others. Self-fulfilled needs. These the last. Actualization needs. These include the needs of realization on capability of the fullest. One is the capable of accomplishing like music. Musician make music, artist make paint, poet make must narrate, and if it is an ultimate happy, these needs are called need for self-realization, self-actualization. As per Kurt Goldstein refers it, person motivation to perform is perception to self into reality, that is actualization. Person who become, he acquired something deep inner spirit, that what is there in the life. Okay, so some people they donate entire money to the society, social work, mankind, and they work for the uplift the mankind and poor. That type of things, that means they are reached to the top level of their needs and they want to be full actualization. According to Maslow, people attempt to satisfy these psychological needs first. As long as their needs are unsatisfied, they dominate others. It is something like if you are coming to the class without taking breakfast, and definitely you cannot be motivated to concentrate the lecture of the teacher until unless you take some breakfast, something. As soon as little bit satisfy your hunger, you start going to next level of teaching, understanding the class. But whereas the first thing, hungry part, it is gone. So means first level of the this need, it is no more required. It loses the motivations. Next is two-factor Friedrich Herzberg's motivation theory. Herzberg has given motivation two-factor theory after a massive survey of engineer accountant. Herzberg called first four needs of the Maslow hierarchy. First four needs, which are the first four needs of the Maslow hierarchy in the psychological, security, social and esteem. These four, he made it maintenance or hygienic factors, whereas top actualizations and little bit part of the esteem that is gone to the motivation factor. So Herzberg is defined entire needs of the human being as per defined by the Maslow motivation theory into two factors, maintenance or hygiene factors, others are motivation factors. Top one. The first four is maintenance or hygiene factor and top one is motive or motivation factor. You can see that the Herzberg theory also fit the Maslow needs of motivation theory. For example, maintenance factor mainly satisfy psychological, security and some esteem needs. All the first four Maslow theory needs that comes to maintenance factor. Now we'll compare and we'll come to know what are maintenance factor, what are motive factor as per the Herzberg theory. Company policy and administration, it comes to maintenance. You have to maintain to motive to person do a work environment, good policy and administration, psychological nature environment should be good. So it comes in maintenance factor. Any achievement, it is being motivated. It is gone to achievement that comes in motivator factor. Supervision nothing but monitoring of the hygiene things, that is maintenance factor. Recognitions, a person is recognized because he achieved the things, he has acquired the self-fulfillment, realization status, then it comes to maintenance motivator factor, recognition. Fourth, interpersonal relations, that also maintenance factor, status, salary, all to maintain the factor, house, bike, car, everything. Job seekers, people want to go other job to get new higher salary. These are all maintenance factor, hygiene factor. And challenging, recognition, advance to growth of the job, promotion, that comes to motive factor. That end today of this module, part of module 2. Thank you very much for this.